Hello guys, today I'm showing this that how can you get Canva Pro invite links. So first of all you go to your browser, every browser which you use, and first get to Canva. So I have already Canva, so I'm going to another uh, account. Get Canva. So this is Canva. Wait, Canva. Once you join Canva, so this is the premium Canva which you need. Did you see? That's my first. So let's what I'm going to done this all. Just did you see bulk stick? So you can, did you see there is 8%. So let's see. I'm going to customize something like YouTube thumbnail. This is YouTube thumbnail. You can customize every one which you need. All premium was free. Let's see. Let's see. Customize this. And you can download in high frame rate. Just check JPG. You can download a high quality picture. I'm going to show you of these pixels. Let's see. Did you see? Okay, so go to any Chrome browser or another browser, search here Bilkis tag.free .nf. Search this. So this is the website. When you come here, you can click this Canva and scroll down, and this is the link. When you click this, so it's need a account. So I already used in my accounts, and this is my own website, so you can join easily. When you click this, you here like this. I am going to show you how to. This is for today. We can meet next video inshallah. Guys, help me for getting more links. Subscribe my channel, likes and comment. If you have any problem, then you can ask in comment bar. Thank you.